Welcome to my video. This is Kelly Shepherd. Let's go ahead and check out the new category first. Or add a category, excuse me. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's look at the let's make it non-validate. And we put in boom. And actually let's go ahead, non-validate and not do anything. And it says please provide the information. So that works still, even though it said no validate. Let's go ahead and check the HTML. And there is a warning, but no errors. Okay, so let's go back here. And let's go check the add new product. Alright, and you can see here, we'll add this, put in this, do this. Let's just see what happens when we, oh, it says please fill out the field. Check it again. Please fill out the field. Let's do letter. Excuse me. Let's do needs number. Let's do letters. And it says please provide information for any empty fields. So that, again, here's our weight. It was letters I put in. So that works. Let's take away this. Let's put in non-validate and see if it will go anyway. As you can see, they're sticky as well. And please provide information for empty fields. So that's working. Let's go ahead and check the validate, or the, yes, make sure it's valid HTML. And again, only one warning, no errors. So everything's working. So that's my assignment this week. Thank you so much for your time.